This is the Skoda Fabia MK3. And with this Skoda and also with the previous generation of the Skoda cars, we had a lot of problems with the doors glitching, door locks glitching, so they can lock and unlock when you drive on their own. And in most cases, the culprit for this is the water damage for the lock system, for the wiring, for the locks, for the control modules that control this, and also the damage to the wires here. So here is the boot with the wiring in this door and in that door also. You may have this problem, but the problem is that it's not a DIY thing, so you'll need professional help to fix this. But before you ask for any professional help, you also can go here to the settings. So the car tab, the settings, you have to turn on the ignition. So you go to car tab, to the settings, and then here you have opening and closing, and here you have automatic locking. So if you check this automatic locking, your car will close the doors at about 10 miles per hour. And the problem is that automatic locking function is not perfectly coded in these cars, and it may glitch and it will lock the doors at 10 miles per hour and then unlock them when you go lower than 10 miles per hour. So you will get locking and unlocking in the city traffic. Sometimes this is the software glitch, so you can just turn it off and try driving without this automatic door locking. If this fixes the problem, it's a software update issue, but Skoda will most likely want some money from you still. So in my case, I just choose to drive without this function of automatic locking. If I need to lock the doors, I can lock them manually at any time.